2023 Audi RS7 Review, All-Conquering Cruise Missile. The large, coupe-style four-door car has become quite a thing, and many manufacturers now offer them. The Audi RS7 is Audi's sportiest rendition of the genre, and although it crosses swords with like-minded rivals such as the BMW M8 Gran Coupe and Mercedes-AMG GT63 four-door in terms of outright ability, it's cheaper than both. If you don't mind casting your net wider, and if the swoopy styling is not a prerequisite, similarly able cheaper, conventional sedan options like the BMW M5 and Cadillac CT5V Blackwing are on the menu too. All of these offer serious performance, making the 0 to 60 dash in well under 4 seconds while transporting 5 terrified occupants. They all have V8 engines, but go about their business in distinctly different ways, and the Audi plays to its strengths: searing pace combined with excellent comfort, quattro all-road and weather grip, and a smooth automatic gearbox for tackling traffic. But its all-around greatness faces tough competition from some cheaper rivals, not least that CT5V Blackwing and M5. 2023 Audi RS7 changes. What's the difference versus 2022 RS7? The new 2023 Audi RS7 four-door coupe continues on as per last year's model. There are only two differences: a tweak to the optional equipment and a price increase. The optional executive package is the only one that sees changes. It gains a black Dinamica, faux Alcantara, headliner and remote park assist, and automated remote parking system. The 2023 RS7's price increases by $2,400 from last year's $118,500 to $120,900. 2023 Audi RS7 handling and driving impressions. We could bore you with all the technical details, but suffice it to say that Audi has thrown the whole gamut of suspension and powertrain tech at the RS7 to ensure limpet-like grip through corners and pulverizing pace to string them together. The twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8's outputs of 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque aren't as high as some rivals, but enough to teleport you to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, courtesy of an 8-speed automatic, 48-volt mild hybrid setup, and quattro AWD. More impressive is the way it does this, because, unlike most hard-riding BMW M cars, the RS7 is surprisingly comfortable. Even on the air suspension's firmest setting and on the optional 22-inch wheels, it doesn't jostle or jar its occupants. It's so well judged and tuned that we wouldn't bother with the dynamic ride control suspension option unless we want more of that M5 handling sharpness. Grip is superb, and the standard rear axle steering aids agility. The clever rear diff will even let you hang the tail out. It doesn't hide its weight as well as an M5, but it's crushingly effective nonetheless and blends comfort and handling so well, it's a genuine pleasure to use every day, not just on a track. Verdict: is the 2023 Audi RS7 a good car? Everything comes together in a most pleasing way to make the 2023 RS7 a class act. It's properly rapid, rides as comfortably as an everyday sedan, and offers plenty of space for occupants and luggage. In every review of the Audi RS7 and its competitors, you'll read how very few of them manage such a fine balance, and for this, we can forgive its few foibles, like the rather cheeky exclusion of some driver assists at this price, and the lack of an old-style manual controller so you don't have to prod that screen all the time. Despite its weight, the superbly set-up air suspension and rear axle steering make for a fast Audi that is not hamstrung by any dynamic weaknesses, yet demands no compromises of you on pockmarked roads. But don't forget about the USA's own contender, the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. It might not have the deeply impressive levels of quality of the Audi, but for a staggering $30,000 discount, you get a massively powerful V8, sharp handling, superb comfort, and a manual gearbox. Makes you wonder if an RS7 really is worth its asking price. 2023 RS7 exterior. The Audi RS7 remains visually unchanged. The focus of the aggressive but refined appearance remains the HD Matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. The 21-inch 10V spoke star design wheels finished in silver are the standard choice, but 22-inch designs are optionally available. Being a sportback, the definitive line on the vehicle is the sleek silhouette that gives it a coupe-esque shape. Attitude and sophistication are enhanced with the standard inclusion of an electric panoramic sunroof. An RS dual exhaust system with chrome tips, matte optic door blades in front and rear inserts for the RS-specific bumpers, and a retractable rear spoiler separate this car from the standard A7. The exterior of the RS7 isn't too customizable, but Audi does offer some optic packages to those who want to add some aggression to the look of the sleek sedan. This starts with the black optic package, adding a set of 22-inch 5V spoke design alloy wheels with a diamond-cut gloss anthracite black finish and gloss black finishes for the badges, grille, window surrounds, front and rear bumper inserts, and door mirror housings. The carbon optic package adds a racier carbon finish to the mirror housings, door blades, and front and rear bumper inserts. Dimensions. The dimensions of the Audi RS7 include a length of 197.2 inches, height of 56.1 inches, and width of 76.8 inches without the mirrors, making the sleek four-door liftback a sizable performance car. A wheelbase of 115.3 inches affords it a generously spaced cabin that will comfortably accommodate 5 passengers. An imposing stance is generated with a front and rear track of 65.7 and 65 inches respectively. Unfortunately, a manufacturer-claimed curbed weight figure of 4,938 pounds does put the RS7 on the hefty side. Exterior colors. For the Audi RS7, there have been some changes made to the available colors in recent years. The Nardo Gray shade remains the standard option while Floret Silver, Glacier White, Mythos Black, Tango Red, and Ultra Blue Metallics are offered as $595 options. The Daytona Gray Pearl shade is priced the same. The priciest color choice is Sebring Black Crystal Effect, which is a $1,095 option. The brake calipers are a subtle design feature of the RS7, but you can still have them colored in red for $500. Via the gray ceramic brake package, a gray shade is available for $8,500 while red will cost $9,000. 2023 RS7 Interior. As to be expected with modern Audi products, the cabin experience is a highlight thanks to contemporary fittings and displays. As standard, the door armrests and dashboard boast a leatherette upholstery covering with contrast stitching, and the carbon twill inlays add to the overall modern feel. The driver and passengers are accommodated by plush Falcona perforated leather seats. In front, these seats are both heated and ventilated. A flat-bottom steering wheel with metal shift paddles and the bulky leather-wrapped gear lever remind you that you are in the driver's seat of a thoroughbred performance car.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.